Today is April 2nd in our devotional, and today it says dreadful disappointment. Psalm chapter 42 verse 5. Why are you cast down, O my soul, and why are you disquieted with me? Hope in God, for I shall yet praise him for the help of his contentment. Psalm chapter 37 verses 23 through 24. The Lord directs the steps of the godly. He delights in every detail of their lives. Though they stumble, they will never fall, for the Lord holds them by the hand. Isaiah 49 verse 23. Those who hope in me will not be disappointed. Psalm chapter 34 verse 18. The Lord is close to the brokenhearted. He rescues those whose spirits are crushed. Romans chapter 8 verse 28. We know that in all things God works for the good of those who love him, who have been called according to his purpose. Psalm chapter 107 verse 8 through 9. Let them thank the Lord for his steadfast love, for his wondrous work to the children of man. For he satisfies the longing soul, and the hungry soul he fills with good things. Galatians chapter 6 verse 9. Let us not grow weary while doing good, for in due season we shall reap if we do not lose heart. And at the bottom it says, disappointment is a reality that comes after expectations have not been met. Good Friday was a dark day. A lot of dreams and hopes came to a halt, and people were disappointed because they expected that he would deliver them. After each disappointment, God creates a new beginning, a resurrection moment. Spend time with God and stay positive. Your disappointment might be an announcement of a new, better future and a satisfaction that only God can give. And I like that. Sometimes he works, what disappoints us may be God working to help us, to better us. I was just telling my husband just today, yesterday, as a matter of fact, because I was talking to him because he had, when COVID had hit, he had lost his job, and now he's kind of disappointed. He does have this job now, but he's on call, so it's not steady work, in other words. So he's kind of disappointed, and I told him sometimes God brings us out of a place. It's just like Elijah. Sometimes God brings us out of a place and puts us in an uncomfortable place because we are complacent. We're not focused on him. So he puts us in an uncomfortable place so we can be more dependent on him on things. And I told him, I said, you lost that job back in 2020. This is 2022. It's been 2 years now. I said, we've never went hungry. We've never went without paying a bill. Our bills is always on time and everything. And I'm not saying this to brag or anything. I'm saying this to give all glory and praise to God, because we've never went hungry or anything. We haven't had to go and get on government assistance or anything. God has made a way for us, and we give all praise and glory to him. And that just shows what he can do. And when he's ready, when my husband, because in this time, back in 2020, is when my husband, he lost his job, and he gave his life to Christ. And he's been going strong ever since. He's closer to God now than what he was when he first got saved in 2020. So it took many years of praying, guys, many years of praying we've had some really rough times and times that I felt like giving up. But the Lord stayed with us, and he's strong now. And I believe when the Lord is ready in his timing, my husband will be granted a full-time position someplace. And I believe that with everything in me, and we don't depend on anything but him. He has taken care of us, and I give all praise and glory to him. We've never had to borrow money or anything. You know, we've lived on our savings all this time, and God has always provided. All glory to him, you know. And like I said, I'm not saying that to brag or anything. I'm saying that because the Lord deserves praise for this. He deserves so much praise for it, because like I said, he's provided these last 2 years and made a way for us, and we've not went without. So he deserves all the praise for it, definitely. Sorry. But anyway, I love you guys, and I hope you have a very blessed day today. As always, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll quit getting emotional on you now. But I love you guys, and I hope you have a very blessed day. Bye, guys.